Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to change your Gmail name, step by step and super easy. First, open your browser. Then, go to the top right corner. Click on the 6 dots icon. Next, click on the Gmail icon. Now, click on the top right settings icon. Then, find See All Settings. Click on it. Now, click on Accounts and Import Settings. Go to Edit Info and click on it. Then, type a new name. Finally, enter to save changes. Boom, your Gmail name has been successfully changed. And that's it. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.